Heart problems, you wanna beat it. So different organs, every organ in your body has nerves, a network of nerves connected to it. And so the network of nerves connected to your heart actually go to your hand, and they're in between your middle finger and your little finger. So this area of your palm actually correlates to your heart. So if you got hypertension, high blood pressure, you got palpitations, you got chest pain, you want to stimulate these nerves. There's two ways of doing it. You can use your flat fist and just beat the palm in that area between your middle finger and your pinky finger. So you want to beat it like this, okay? And if that ain't working and you really want to beat it, you want to beat it hard, you can start using knuckles. Get your knuckles in there and start beating it, okay? You want to beat it till you defeat it, all right? So you want to beat it in your palm and switch the other palm, all right? Do this every single day. Subscribe to my YouTube.
But it's so good, right? Yes, it's always worth it. Get the scraping. You need it.
Yeah.
Especially if you are like us and hold all of it in your shoulders. You need it. It's for you. That's all I'm saying.
Awesome.
Hey guys, Jimmy in here, the acupuncture neurology specialist. And what does a chicken have to do with Hawthorn? Absolutely nothing. Happy Halloween, everybody. Foodie Friday, we're going to talk about herbs, right? We talk about Chinese herbs that actually are food. And the herb that we're going to talk about today is actually called sanja in Chinese. And in English, it's hawthorn fruit. And probably some of y'all have heard of hawthorn fruit, right? So what actually is hawthorn fruit and why is it so beneficial? So hawthorn fruit actually has a function of being a cardiotonic. It can actually improve the contraction of the heart. It also can help with vasodilation, which basically means opening up the blood vessels to allow, actually it can help decrease, which is the third one, antihypertensive. It can actually help lower blood pressure. So it can actually help your heart beat more efficiently, more effectively, and also help with the blood pressure within your body. So hawthorn, we use it, it's like a candy. In Taiwan, they make it a little candy. It tastes really good. And but we cook with it too. We cook it in our soup. We cook it in chicken soup. Okay, actually, so there is a correlation in Asian cultures. We put hawthorn into chicken soup, and it actually brings out a lot of nutrition from the chicken. But it also has an anti-cholesterol effect too. So hawthorn is a super powerful fruit. It is a fruit. We actually eat it. We actually use it, but it's also a Chinese herb. That's the beauty of Chinese medicine is we use food to heal, like Hippocrates says, food is thy medicine. And that's the beauty of Chinese medicine, right? I don't know where he got it. Maybe he got it from Chinese medicine. Don't know. But it also, another very important factor of hawthorn is it balances your stomach acid. It actually helps you digest even better. Helps your digestion better. So if you have any type of indigestion, bloating, acid reflux, munch on some hawthorn fruit or make a tea out of it. Just boil up, put some hawthorn fruits and just boil it in water and drink it throughout the day. It will improve your digestive system and your GI upsets, right? And the last one is antibiotic. It's not a strong antibiotic, but it's still beneficial. Again, antibiotic, but it's not like pharmaceutical antibiotics. Pharmaceutical antibiotics kill everything in your intestines. Hawthorn is selective in the sense that it will only attack certain types of bacteria. And that's why it helps with the stomach and helps with your digestion, right? So hopefully this has been beneficial. If you haven't tried hawthorn, give it a try. It's actually pretty good. The candy's really good. It's actually a little sweet and a little sour taste. It's like one of the sweet and sour patches. You know those little candies. I'm not saying go eat those candy, but there is a candy, a hawthorn fruit that actually tastes really pretty good. Okay, so give it a try. If you have any hypertension issues, you want to munch on it every single day. It's just one herb that we use in Chinese medicine to help regulate the digestion and regulate your blood pressure. All right, guys, Jimmy Yen from Achieve Integrative Health. And as always, remember, everything in life is achievable, but it's up to you to make it happen.